In this video, I will show you how you can have notes along with the check system. So here we have an overpayment refund and we're expecting $550 as a pending transaction. Let's say we're expecting it on March 22nd. We can have that noted here or here, but for me it's more ergonomic to have that temporary note here like this. But what happens is that the total here will include the amount, which will cause a mismatch in the actual balance. So what we can do is we can just add some formulas here. Mid, we click on this reference cell, 1 for the first character in the cell, then 2 for 2 characters. Then we'll just add a space here, and we can do it for the other ones. Press enter. So now it excludes the balance here, so we have a match in the actual balance. If you wanted to include the amount, to me what I do is I put a period here. So click on this cell, then Ctrl C for copy, go up and press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow key, then right click on the selected cells, press S, then F for formula. So we have the formula carried over.